Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute Facebook PC. We start by opening Facebook in our Chrome browser. Next, we will right-click on the name of the tab. Here we will find the Mute Site option. After that, we will have silenced our Facebook in this tab, and notifications or videos will not sound among others. If we want to put sound back on, we right-click on the tab again and choose Unmute Site Sound. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.